Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new polygel kit. It's by Makartt and I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I'm gonna try. Eberouge, I don't know. But this packaging is so pretty. It's a 3-color ombre and it's just gorgeous. So first we have some dual forms, and these are just a thank you card, and then the other one is a instruction manual, like how to do it. And then I'm going to show you guys everything else that comes in here. So first we have a nail file. It's 100 by 180, and that file is so pretty. I don't even want to use it. So we also have some top coat and some base coat. And then we have a polygel brush. It's so pretty. Again, I'm not going to use this today because I don't want to have to open another polygel brush because I have so many open already. So now I'm just going to swatch all of these colors for you guys. I did put all of the all of the numbers on the screen of every single color in here. I'm just doing a quick swatching. Usually I like to swatch on the swatch sticks, but since I'm also going to be doing a nail design, I didn't want this video to be super long. So I'm just going to quickly swatch these for you guys. So these are all of the colors. I haven't cured them yet. I'm going to cure them now, and now they're cured. So this is how they look after they are dried. They all dried perfectly fine in my light for 30 seconds. So what I'm showing you guys here was my peel off base coat. It's by Unt, and this base coat works so good. So if you guys want nails that just pop off right away so you can do videos, definitely use that. So I'm also going to be using the 123 Go from Enailcouture, the Tapered Coffin 123 Go nails. I also wanted to show you guys this new little flashy light that I got from Enailcouture. It's so cute. It's like a little kitty, and I'm going to put some batteries in it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. And it's pretty bright. I like it. I think it's a little bit stronger than my other one that I have. So first I'm going to start off by putting some base coat. If you guys aren't planning on popping your nails off right away and you want them to last, do make sure you guys do all the proper prep before you apply your nails. Since I didn't have snowflakes, I have to pick them all out of this little glitter jar I have here. So I'm going to put down some base coat, but normally you would take your primer and you would etch the inside of the nail. You don't have to use primer. You can, etch the inside with a drill or a nail file if you can. Just make sure you do that. I'm not doing that because I'm just going to pop these right off after the video is done recording. So I'm just taking some of those snowflakes and those little star looking things, putting them inside, and I'm going to carefully flash cure every single one of those in there because they won't stay down if you don't do this. So as you're flash curing, just try to be careful and not cure the whole nail. Try to focus the light on that one spot one at a time. So now I am going to use some base coat as my slip solution. So this polygel moves around super easy. I don't have any issues with it. It works really, really good. I don't know how it would work if you were to use like slip solution or alcohol, but if you haven't tried the base coat method yet, definitely try it, because the method, it's so easy to move the polygel around. Like, it just floats and it's amazing. You can't really ombre with base coat. Well, in my experience, you can't. So it doesn't really work too well if you're trying to marble or ombre your nails. Probably gonna have to use alcohol for that. So I'm just going to carefully flash cure the nails on, and also make sure you kind of go under the bottom so you don't have like a big, like underneath the nail, so there's not like a big lump at the top of your nail where the polygel brushes up. So now I'm gonna move on to the next nail, and it's gonna be pretty much the exact same thing. I did decide to use a different flashy though, because my other one was a little bit, not like too strong, but I just felt that it was curing the other ones like too much too. So this one worked better to cure the little snowflakes on one by one instead of accidentally curing the whole thing at once. So we're pretty much just doing the same thing on this nail, and I really, really love these colors. These colors are so pretty, and every single one of them has glitter. One thing to note, if you're using the extreme tapered nails, this one is very, very deep. Like, it goes in deep. So you're gonna use a little bit more polygel with these 1, 2, 3 Go nails than you would like the other ones, because the other ones are a little bit more flatter. But yeah, these ones definitely go in super deep. And I can't believe I didn't show you guys like a side view of the nails, or like a top view so you can see the C curve. But these things have an insane C curve, and it is so pretty. And they're just like, the apex is so nice as well. I'm so mad at myself for not showing you guys a view of that so you can see how the nails look from the side and how they look from the top. So this one, I didn't put anything inside this nail. I just put it all one color. So this one, I wasn't sure what to do with it, but I did decide to just put some more snowflakes in there. It's a little hard to kind of get these in here because the opening at the top is so small. So I don't know if you guys remember my last video when I used the starry, I think like the starry sky or something like that polygel kit. I had tried to do like a tie-dye or like a marble with the polygel and it didn't work for me. So I decided to try to do that again with these two colors and it did not work for me. You guys will see when I flip it over, it just looks like a solid line. Look at that. Like you can pause it if I went a little bit too fast, but it's just like a solid line right there. It does not look like the same as it does in the back. So what I decided to do was just mix it together again, like I did last time. I just got like the tip of my little tweezers and I just like stirred it in so I can just mix all of the colors back together because it was not working for me. I don't know if it's the polygel that's not marbling or if it's me. Then again, like I said, it could also be because of the base coat. It doesn't really do well when it comes down to marble or ombre. That could be the problem too, but I have a mess over here. I have polygel all over my fingertips. As you guys can see, there's like a big chunk of polygel on my finger. I just made a mess with this thumb. It was not working. But just a tip for you guys, if you do try it, if you have tried it and it does work for you, please let me know what I'm doing wrong and why I cannot get this to marble for the life of me. So this is how they are looking after I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and start filing them. I did get this pointy nail drill bit that I always use for my 1, 2, 3 goes. And I'm just showing you guys the one nail on camera, how I just go around the cuticle to make it look super snatched, and any polygel that ran out, you are able to clean it up and just make it look really good. I did do all of my filing off camera. I didn't realize I didn't, after I did this, that I didn't go back on record. So when I come back, my nails are going to be completely filed like this. So when I realized that I did that, I'm just going to show you guys what I used. I used this 100 by 180 file by Enailcouture, and I went over just very, very lightly on all of the nails. And then I took my 100 by 100 Twiggy File, and I just cleaned up the sides, did the top, and then went down the sides a little bit. I didn't do anything drastic. I probably spent maybe about 20 seconds, 30 seconds filing each nail because you don't really need to. Like, they're so shaped perfect already. So I'm going to be using my squeezy and then also this shiny top coat. It is the one that has glitter, and I'm kind of just testing it to see if I like it. That's why I'm showing you guys really quickly on the thumb. So I decided that I liked it and I do want to use it. I don't know if you guys have seen this whole collection that comes with these top coats, but this one is like 3 altogether, and each one has like a different kind of color of glitter. So I do really like these. They're so pretty. I'm trying to put the squeezy on here. You guys can't really see what I'm doing because my hand is blocking it, and I had such a hard time squeezing it out the bottle. I think I need to like put it under warm water or sit it under my leg or something before I do that, because it's so hard to push out. And I also am putting the glittery shiny top coat over this. I don't know if you're supposed to put regular top coat over the squeezy, but I decided to use the glitter one because that's what I wanted to use. So it worked. I mean, I didn't have an issue with it. I'm going to be using these kind of like whitish, pearlish looking color rhinestones. I had tried to use some other ones, like some big rhinestones, but I'm just not very good at placing rhinestones that aren't flat backed. So now I'm just going to be putting that shiny top coat with the glitter on all of my nails. And I love it. I love this glitter. It's so pretty. It is very thick though, and you don't need like as much. And make sure you guys clean off the sides of your nails, because if you don't, it just kind of loses its shape a little bit, and I noticed that it kind of did that for me. Not like super obvious, but it lost its shape just a little bit. So these are how the nails are looking. I think they look so cute. I love them. Again, I kind of wish I didn't put peel off base coat on the bottom, because now I just want to keep them on. I'm going to finish this off with some Cuticle Oil and show you guys the final result. My nails are so dry, like my fingers are so dry. This hand sanitizer and washing my hands constantly is not doing good for me. This is how they look. I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long, but I'm back, hopefully. I hope everybody has a good day, and I hope everybody is staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.